Every Thursday, the pantry's open from 11 o'clock to 1 o'clock, and we serve veterans. We have canned goods, fruits, vegetables, eggs, milk, bread, and we distribute it to the vets. We serve about 120 veterans a week.
The track invited me out here, a part of their victory tour, to help promote the race, and a part of it was to come here to the VA hospital, help distribute food here. So meet some veterans, so I'm excited about that.
A lot of them, it helps as far as the addition of food that they need to carry over times throughout the month. Most of them are on some type of limited income, and any little bit that they can get helps them to live to that next check.
I live on my Social Security, and it just doesn't cover everything. So I really appreciate the efforts of all the people, all the volunteers that come here and work so hard, so diligently, and they're just, it's a wonderful thing.
I didn't really think about kind of what our platform does to help these people here at the VA hospital and bring awareness to what they need, but I think that's really cool that with my background, but also NASCAR and their whole platform can hopefully bring awareness to like they said what they need to make this place better and better and better suited for them.
I think it's important anytime when it comes to have some type of name recognition to individuals, because it shows the veterans that they're not just the same faces that they see every week at the food pantry, but there's people outside in the sporting world and business world that come and realize the importance of taking care of the veterans.
We wouldn't be able to race and have fun like we do if it wasn't for those who have served before us or are currently serving. So NASCAR does a great job.